In this video, I'm going to show you how you can block users or accounts on Roblox. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, so if you have a list of connections and you'd like to block one of the account, it's pretty simple. Just head over to those accounts. So for instance, I have 2 connections here and I'd like to block one of these accounts. For example, let me show you how you can do it on this. So go ahead and tap on it and scroll down, and under it tap on this ellipsis, and here you should see this option to block. Go ahead and click on block, and you're told that by blocking this user you will remove them as connections or followers. They won't be able to send messages, request, or invite you. They won't be notified that you blocked them. So go ahead and tap on block, and now this will have been applied. Now if you go back, you can see I have now 1 connection or 1 user on my list. Now to find all the accounts that you have blocked, go ahead and tap on more here, and then go to settings, and under settings go to privacy and content restrictions, and then down below you should see blocked users. If you tap on it, now here you can see the accounts that you have blocked. Now to unblock them, go ahead and tap on unblock, and this will restore the account on your users list. So that's how you can block accounts on Roblox. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.